Now you will find that there are two straws in here. The orange straw is not connected to the balloon. Only the pink straw connected to that balloon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow on the balloon, and the balloon shows up right now. The balloon is blown. Now, what do you think will happen if I were to blow into the orange straw?
The balloon becomes smaller.
The balloon will become smaller. Okay. I'm now going to blow into the orange straw, which is not connected to the balloon. Okay? Ready? Why is it like that? Huh? Why is it like that? By right, if I blow into the orange straw, the balloon will be smaller, right? Huh? But okay. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, I blow into the orange straw, which is not connected to the balloon, and magic! Is it magic? Okay. Now I'm going to clean the straw, and then you are going to blow. Clean the straw. Okay. Alright, now you blow. You blow, stand up and blow. Stand up and blow. Stand and blow. Blow. Nothing happened. Of course, I blow, it can become bigger. You blow, it cannot become bigger. Blow. 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 Okay, I show you one trick, one another. Instead of blowing into the orange straw, which is not connected to the balloon, okay, this time I want you to suck from the orange straw. See, try. Suck from the orange straw. Suck. Oh, the balloon blow up. Oh. Why? Why is it that when you suck from here, from the orange straw, the balloon will swell? You know, what actually happened is when you suck the air out from the bottle, the pressure inside the bottle becomes lower than atmospheric pressure, right? Suck again. Lower. Suck until, yeah. Oh, now it's burst. Oh dear, never mind. What actually happened is that the pressure inside here will be lower, and when it's lower, then the atmospheric pressure here at the pink straw, air will rush in and expand the balloon. But if you blow in, you can never get the balloon to swell. Okay? We're going to show you a video, which is very strange. I thought it was very strange. And this video was on TikTok. Somebody put this video on TikTok. And this video on TikTok, okay, this video on TikTok, okay, okay, this balloon, why is it? Okay. You see this video? No? Yeah.
Here was the challenge. If you missed the previous video, blow up the yellow balloon in the bottle. If you blow on the blue straw, it works. If you blow on the red straw that's not connected to anything,
Oh.
it still works. How in the world does it work?
But he was laughing that he was actually sucking, and then he said he was blowing. So I edited his video to be that, and then the video was different. The video was different. Okay. Where is the video? I didn't send you the video. Okay. The video on TikTok. Do you go to TikTok or no? No. So your dad will not allow you to go to TikTok right now. TikTok, and then you go to Steve Springer, STEVE, Steve Springer. Okay.
I command you to sink. And it does.
See? You see the whole video.
A great challenge for you that will test your critical thinking skills. You're going to need an apple juice jug. I drilled a hole in the lid, 2 holes, and with some hot glue, glued in the 2 straws. The yellow balloon is hooked to the blue straw. So if I want to blow up the balloon, blow in the blue straw, nothing happens with the red straw. Now, put everything in the bottle, and then you challenge somebody to figure out how this works. All right, so you're just going to have to bend it in place, twist it. All right, if I blow on the blue straw, the air in the bottle will escape through the red straw, and the balloon blows up. No problem at all. What happens if you blow on the red straw? The balloon still blows up. How in the world can you blow up the balloon? By blowing on the red straw. Comments below. I'll tell you in the next video. A great challenge for
His was actually this one. This was actually this one. This one.
Here was the challenge. If you missed the previous video, blow up the yellow balloon in the bottle. If you blow on the blue straw, it works. If you blow on the red straw that's not connected to anything, it still works. How in the world does it work? I lied to you. I was not blowing on the red straw. I was sucking the air out of the bottle. Watch. Then when you suck the air out of the bottle, it's kind of like a lung. The air comes in. The balloon inflates this way. We decrease the pressure inside the bottle. So you mean to tell me that this was all because I lied to you? Bing. Here was the challenge. If you missed the previous video.
So you can see, actually this is a little bit like breathing, you know. Our lungs are flexible, okay? But it's airtight. The lungs are airtight. And then there is a diaphragm. Remember we say that there is a diaphragm. And this diaphragm will go down as your ribs goes up. The diaphragm goes down. So when the ribs goes up and the diaphragm goes down, the thoracic cavity here, the upper cavity is called the thoracic cavity, begin to expand. Now according to a law that is called Boyle's law, if you expand the volume of the air, the pressure of the air goes down. The pressure of the air goes down. And that's why that when we breathe in and we expand our chest cavity, the diaphragm goes down, the chest cavity becomes bigger. and therefore the pressure in the chest cavity will be lower than the atmospheric pressure. And then the air in the lungs will expand the lungs. And as the lung expand, again, the air inside the lungs, the pressure of the air inside the lungs will be lower. And when it's lower, air rushes into our nostril and automatically, and it goes in. So when we breathe, we are not actually sucking air through our nostril, no. We are actually lowering the pressure of the chest cavity. The lung expands, the lungs pressure lowers, and the lung pressure lowers, air rushes in, like that. And that is the mechanism of breathing. And it's according to a law which is called, what law? Boy's law. B-O-Y, sorry. But his name is B-O-Y-L-E. We will talk about Boy's law in greater details when we come. Remember the syringe? When you pull the syringe, the air to expand, we can feel the atmospheric pressure pressing on the plunger because the air inside the syringe will be lower. So the atmospheric pressure will force the syringe from the outside. Atmospheric pressure is very important, right? Remember how we can cling on to the wall with that. But this is fine. This is fine. Okay. Quite good.